Have you ever wondered what are the rarest creatures on a planet are? The one that exists in such small numbers. They seem like mystical beings from a forgotten time. Today we dive into the world of these enigmatic animals, counting down the top 5 rarest creatures that grace our planet. Starting at number 5, we found the Solola, also known as the Asian unicorn. This elusive creature roams the Ammonite range of Vietnam and Laos. Discovered only in 1992, the Solola remains a mystery to scientists. With no more than a few thought to exist, it teeters on the edge of extinction. This creature, with its long, graceful horns and gentle demeanor, reminds us of the fragility of life and the importance of conservation efforts. At number 4, we encountered the vaquita, the world's smallest cetacean and the most endangered marine mammal found only in the northern part of Gulf of California. Fewer than 30 vaquitas remain today with their distinctive dark rings around their eyes and lips. These little cows of the sea face a dire future due to illegal fishing practices. Moving to number 3, we meet an animal that seems to have to step straight out of a fairy tale, the Amur leopard. Known for its beautiful thick fur, the Amur leopard, native to the Primordial regions of Russia, the rarest biggest cat in the world, with less than 100 believed to be in existence. This solitary and nocturnal leopard faces a constant battle for survival. At number 2, we have the kakapo, a flightless parrot from the New Zealand. With a distinct owl-like face and a peculiar waddling walk, the kakapo is unique. Its nocturnal habits and distinct booming call add to its charm. Unfortunately, this charm has not protected it from near extinction, with fewer than 200 known to exist. And finally, taking to the top spot at number 1, we came face to face with the Javan rhino, once widespread throughout Southeast Asia. Now, less than 70 of these prehistoric-looking creatures remain are found in Jongkulon National Park in Java, Indonesia. The Javan rhino, with its single horn and armor-like skin, is the rarest large mammal on Earth. Each of these animals, from the Solola to Java rhino, remind us of the rich biodiversity of our world. They stand as a symbol of the fragile balance of our ecosystem and the urgent need for conservation. Their stories are a call to action, a plea to each of us to respect and protect the nature world. After all, our planet's future and there is in our hands.